Hi guys, Gabriella here. Today we're going to make a really easy dish with frozen foods. In particular, we're going to use these frozen lima beans. And this pack of lima beans cost about $1.50. And for this recipe, I also bought this mint, which only cost $1.29. The lima beans and the mint were the only things I bought for this dish. And the other ingredients like olive oil and garlic you'll probably have in your kitchen. The other ingredients you will need for this dish are olive oil, yogurt, garlic, lemon, and ground cumin. Start by bringing a pot of water to boil. Add the frozen lima beans and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until the lima beans are soft. While the water is boiling and the lima beans are cooking, add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt to a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 2 chopped cloves of garlic. Finally, peel your mint and chop it up, and then add 2 to 4 tablespoons of mint, depending on your preferences. Mix all these ingredients together in the bowl, and you can have your dressing. And you can feel free to experiment adding more or less of the different ingredients, depending on your flavor preferences. Once the lima beans are done cooking, use a slotted spoon to transfer them to a bowl of ice water so that they quickly cool down. Then you can drain the lima beans and pat them dry. Mix these dried, cooled lima beans into your bowl of dressing so that all the lima beans are nicely coated with this delicious flavor. You can eat this dish now or keep it in the refrigerator for a couple of days. So here's our final dish, and now comes my favorite part where we get to try some. The mint is a really refreshing flavor. This would be a great dish for the summertime. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you can try this dish sometime at home.